Boom, we're back. Okay, so this one is on metal roofing, right? Okay, so why should you go with the metal roof? Some people, they like the way shingles look, and everyone always just wants to follow what everyone else does, right? Because you just want to fit in. I think that's why everyone does shingles, because it's kind of been the standard. But why do you want to do it every 20 years, man? Jesus Christ. If you do it with metal, it'll be good the rest of your life. You can't see over that way, but there's huge old barn, probably 100+ years old. It's got a metal roof and it's still around. Probably where you guys live, there's some old barns with a metal roof and they're still around, even if people haven't been taking care of them, for Christ's sake. So you put a metal roof on, a lot of them got a 50-year warranty or a 45-year warranty. For Christ's sake, I'll tell you they'll last 150 years plus, if somebody, especially if somebody will go up there and maintain anything once every like 50 or 100 years. Like, in case there's a storm, they're basically just the best roof you can get, and even with this house, I designed it with a metal roof intentionally, because you think I want to be climbing up there redoing the roof all the time? Heck no. So yeah, you guys, I think metal roofs are the way to go in the future, because yeah, think of all that waste in the landfill, all the trash and the garbage, how many times you got to rip the roof apart. It's just a mess in your yard, all the nails everywhere, all that trash and garbage. Everyone's getting sunburned and sweating to death doing it. I've done it hundreds and hundreds of times. So like, it's nice if you could do something right and do it once. So like, don't you guys think the metal roof looks okay on this? I personally like it better than if it was shingled, right? So I think that, yeah, metal roofing is the way to go for the future. I'm not sponsored in any way. I'm just telling you this after fixing thousands and thousands and thousands of buildings for decades and decades. This is what I've come to learn, is metal roof's the way to go, and you can get them painted any color, and there's even metal shingles and stuff like that now. So we're up here in sunny Canada, and yeah, we don't want to be climbing on there in the winter fixing the roof or anything, so we did her once and we did her right. Okay, make the most of yourself. We all win. Stay blessed, you guys. Peace out.